Hey guys, do you recognize my voice? You might think that this guy here who calls himself Avarisakadu talks all the time. In truth, it's not like that. Me, the panda, he just called me panda, talks all the time. He makes me talk non-stop about some Unreal Engine stuff. Grid the pin, connect here and there. By connecting this and that happens. If you want to do that, you have to use this node, that does this and that. Blah blah blah. And what's the big deal is that he shows you my private photos of me. Even the embarrassing photos, like this one.
Oh my gosh.
And does he let me take breaks? No, even if I hide in a corner to eat something, he finds me. But seriously, what he does is good. He teaches you how to approach certain problems in Unreal Engine and also explains why you are doing some steps and not just doing this and that. In the end, you do it but have no idea why. So if you want to learn something, check out his tutorials. He is new to the world of video tutorials for Unreal Engine. Give him a chance and give it a try too. Leave him likes or subscribe to his channel so you don't miss any videos and to support him. Thanks for watching. I have to get back to synchronizing. Someone has to do it.